Namaste Mitro. Welcome to Miss Chatology. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press that bell icon for more notifications about my upcoming videos. Also please like, share and comment down below this video because I would love to read your comments. If you want to catch me up other than this screen of yours, please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will share both the links down in description box as well. So let's start with the video. So you must be thinking, what is going on with me? Why am I so different? Yes, I am different. I have been feeling kind of blue lately for last month or so, but yesterday I talked to my friends and now I feel so much lighter, so feather like, and I was in kind of pain because of I had some problems physically and I was not well. So now I am so lightheaded and yeah, the pain is there but it doesn't feel like it. So that is the power of friendship, I think. And on that note, happy Friendship Day to you all, and thank you for subscribing my channel. And those who are looking forward to subscribe some channel on YouTube, please do it here, right? So happy Friendship Day to you, and it's a good day. So on the note of good day, I'm doing something different for this video. I was feeling blue as I said, so I went through some videos that could make me laugh or make me smile, So I went through these videos and they were kids videos. Kids are so adorable, so cute and sometimes so brave. But one thing is very common, that kids video always make you smile. So I'm reviewing these video of kids which went viral overnight and they took internet by storm, and they are celebrated for their bravery, for their kindness, for their cuteness. So let's start. So the first video is of a kid that went viral overnight for his bravery, and let's celebrate his bravery one more time.
This little boy has proven himself to be a real-life superhero.
That is a mark, that is going to leave a mark, but that would be the mark of bravery all his life.
If someone had to die, I thought it should be me. Wow. The incredibly brave 6-year-old says.
That thing,
the nightmare happened at a friend's
such
house.
emotions coming out of people is absolutely is very humane and very kind, but think that that kind of emotion comes out of a 6-year-old boy, and that is another level bravery, right?
In Cheyenne, Wyoming. Here he is in his Captain America uniform.
Yeah, every
his
Avenger
4-year-old
celebrated
sister
this
at
boy.
his side. So, what's on the iPad?
This is a message for Bridger.
He's watching this personal message from Chris Evans, who starred as Captain America in the Avengers movies.
What you did was so brave, so selfless. Your sister is so lucky to have you as a big brother.
What do you think, kiddo?
I thought it was awesome.
And the Avengers really are assembling to pay tribute to the youngster.
Just want to give a shout out to young kid named Bridger.
Chris Hemsworth, aka Thor, is also sending a personal message.
I know you're an Avengers fan, and so myself and all the team, we'd be honored to have you on the team, mate. And we love you and we're sending you our support.
This photo of Bridger in a Spider-Man outfit was taken right after he got a phone call from Tom Holland, who plays Spidey in the movies. Octavia Spencer, who
Obviously,
appeared in
he's
the
a real
first
life
Spider-Man
superhero,
movie,
right?
tells Bridger, "Angel hugs for you."
Your courage is beyond belief, and we are all so impressed by you.
So that kid's bravery is on another level. So second video is about a 2-year-old chef that is the cutest little chef everyone could think of, and I would definitely eat whatever he makes, right? So let's start with the video.
I'm ready.
See how cute he is? Oh, Roman, right? Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Back on game show.
Yeah, we're making pizza. I love pizza. Crust, please. How he asked for ingredients, please. Oh. Can I eat, please?
I did it. It's all gone. It's so yummy.
Yummy.
Have it, please. Cheese, please. Oh.
Oh, yeah, that is a classic chef trade. You eat what you make every step of the way. I totally eat half of my food, pre-preparation time. Only. Alright. He's so dedicated for his work. Oh, he loves pineapples by the looks of it. I'm not a fan of pineapple on pizza, but okay, I would eat whatever it is. Really. He's like me, he's eating all his food in pre-preparation. Yeah, he loves pepperoni as well. Done. Okay. Yeah, he knows his stuff. Sure, buddy. Oh my god. You're the chef and you're the deciding person. Can't stop laughing, right? Oh, this is a video about self-control. Oh my god, I have to learn so much about, self-control from this girl.
Sit down. I'm gonna give you a challenge. Are you a big girl or a baby? You can have the chocolate. If you're a big girl, Daddy's gonna go use the phone.
Who does that for me?
You're not allowed to touch the chocolate, okay? So I'm gonna leave.
But that is the
And you have
next
to wait there. Stay
level,
there, sit there.
parenting. I tell you, they are so great for teaching their child, such a small child, such a kind of self-control. Even we as adults sometimes forget. See, the chocolate is there, but she's not touching because she's a big girl. Oh.
I will get myself in pasta and still anything I will just go help.
Wow, my god. Yeah, I have to learn so much from this kid. You know how she's, just around the chocolate, but she's not touching it.
Hey, you didn't touch the chocolate. You touched the Play-Doh. Okay, you can have the chocolate. What do you say?
Thanks for Daddy.
See, that's a next level thing, right? For a baby. Oh my god, kids these days. Okay, so this next video is so, up my alley. I was like this, and I would like to tell, my story about my childhood. There are many, obviously, but there is one very persistent, and still my family makes fun of me for that. So, in India, when you greet anybody and you have a respect for anybody, you used to say G after that name, like Uncle G, and that kind of thing, Uncle G, Auntie G. And my parents taught me that level of respect for everybody, and they taught me a little bit more than they should have. And when I was a little kid, and that story is told me in a sarcastic way from every member of my family, that I was taught so much respect that even I called non-living things G. Like when I had to ask for vegetables or anything else, I would say aloo G for potatoes, tomato G for tomatoes, and anything like that. Mummy G, Papa G, Uncle G, Chappal G, Sandal G, Shoes G. Everything was just G because I was so respecting, and I'm so over it now, and I think okay, G is not something to be, that is not. I think that saying G to everything, because I have taken that from my childhood, that G is not a respect which you have to give. Respects come from inside, and that I have learned after that incident. And yeah, I respect everybody. I refrain myself from calling anybody G until and unless I have to. But even I have to respect them. I don't say G anymore because respect lies within, right? So that was a very funny moment of mine. And when I saw this video, that I remember that incident of my childhood, and it was so funny because this kid is so sweet. He says thank you mama at every time she gives something to him, food. And I have seen in this video that she gives food, and every time she says thank you mama, and that has went viral.
Want strawberry milk?
Really so cute.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now say.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, you got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Go share with Auntie.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Put it down.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Go eat with Daddy. Bye.
Oh, this was another level of cuteness. So cute. So this kid has so much issue with his mom. His mom didn't kiss him goodbye. One time she, went for her office or job, and this is how he reacted. Oh, he can't form a sentence, but he's so cute.
Issues with the word?
Yeah.
Why did Mama do that? You don't know? Me neither.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama, Dada.
cute. Oh my god, this kid make me laugh every time I watch this video, and I've watched it several times. The next is the cutest baby girl I ever saw. She's just like Cloud, you know. I was so enjoying this video. She went to her own parents' wedding like this, and it was so cute. She's just like Cloud, the person who chose her dress over mine. So when I saw this video, I thought, okay, I have to include this because this was another level of genius this kid had. He has an Einstein brain or something, and I saw this video on I think it was his mother's or her mother's channel, but this video I had to include. So let's see. She named this video that my kid is a genius or so. It was so sweet. See how he's trying to oh my god. Seriously, he's a genius, oh my god. We saw that he could get hurt when, if he lands on ground. Oh, there's no more pillows. He's looking out for more pillows, but okay, it's rolled. Such a smart kid, my god, such a smart kid. No, I saw this video a few years back, one with a baby who was not able to, walk down the stairs, so he flipped towards his stomach and he just slided down the stairs. That was some, I thought another level thinking, but this kid, oh my god, he's seriously a genius. To mom, you have to raise this genius kid, oh my god, hats off to you. And by the looks of it, I remember another story of my childhood that I used to eat dirt at this age. I think my mom says that I once ate I think caterpillar or something, I don't know. She told me that it was something you just ate and it was only in your mouth and you were just chewing it like a chewing gum. And she saw obviously, and she came, she washed my mouth and everything, but at this age I was doing that and this kid is that. So for the last video, I thought why not include father child video, and this video was another level of cuteness, and I have to give this credit to dad, but this kid expression makes it worthwhile. Oh my god, this video is on another level. I'm saying this for all the videos, but yeah, they are, that's why they are viral, Anna. Let's watch it. Oh.
Stop him now! Why is my voice so deep? I do not know. Maybe because I'm a baby and I don't have a voice of my own. This is confusing. I still don't understand why you're not helping me, Mommy. Mommy!
So if you want me to share with you and to make another video for this, Please comment down below this video and enjoy and happy Friendship Day to you. Thank you.